Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ragi Cupcakes. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of Ragi flour with 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget a small pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a rich flavor. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly to ensure they are well combined and lump-free. This step is crucial for a consistent texture in your cupcakes. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients for our delicious Ragi cupcakes. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, 1/4 cup of any neutral oil, and 1/2 cup of powdered jaggery until smooth. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 cup of milk. Once your wet ingredients are ready, slowly add them to the dry mixture. Mix gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cupcakes, so be careful not to overdo it. It's time to get these Ragi cupcakes into the oven. First, line a standard muffin tin with 12 cupcake liners. Carefully spoon the batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 of the way full. This allows room for them to rise beautifully without overflowing. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cupcakes for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool completely before frosting. Once your Ragi cupcakes are completely cooled, it's time for the fun part: frosting. You can prepare a simple cream cheese frosting or a rich chocolate ganache. Pipe or spread your chosen frosting generously onto each cupcake. These wholesome treats are perfect for any occasion, offering a delicious and nutritious alternative. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Ragi cupcakes with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.